In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money just by sharing something that is 100% free, but there is a lot of people out there who are looking for this. This is something that you can do. It doesn't matter where you are, as long as you have internet connection, as long as you have a computer, you have a cell phone, you have a laptop, you are good to do it. The only thing that you need to do is that you need to follow this step-by-step tutorial. Please watch the entire video because guys, at the end, I'm going to be revealing a bonus, but that's a secret and that's going to be at the end. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can earn money online just by sharing something that is 100% free. There are a lot of people out there who are looking for this. So are you ready? Let me show you everything. Now, let me share with you my screen so you can know what we're going to be talking about. Okay, this is a website that it's called Creative Life. Okay, you're going to go to creativelife.com. And on this website, we don't need to pay a penny. Okay, but we need to understand, okay, what they're offering, why they are so popular, why people are interested, and why people are going to be, willing to invest on this, and you're going to be earning money. Okay, right now they are giving people 2,000 classes, okay, taught by world top experts. Okay, these are classes that people are going to have access via internet, and if they do have a tablet, if they do have a mobile device, they do have a cell phone or a desktop, they can access it 24/7. Okay, there are new classes added every single month. These people can download it so they can watch it offline. This is exclusive content, and as you can see, we have here, for example, photos and videos, money and life. Yeah, if you're looking to learn how to make money, here is it, money and life. Art and designs, craft and makers, music and audio. Okay, videographer, if you are looking to go with Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, entrepreneurship, craft and maker, and way more. So you are going to have the opportunity to learn more about this. Okay. But remember, guys, that this is not the strategy. Okay. We are not going to be investing, but I want you guys to understand the potential. Okay. So as you can see, they do have students all over around the world, but there is always room for more. And this is actually the part in which we actually, start putting everything together. Okay, so what are we going to be doing, or what's going to be our job? Let me show you that in a moment. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Also, let me know where you guys are from because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is available in your area. Okay, so now let me continue with the video. So what are we going to be doing? Well, let's keep scrolling. Okay, remember that people are going to be learning real skills. Doesn't matter where they are going to be learning from the best. This website is actually for creators by creators. Okay, so some of the trainers here, you have Damon Jones, okay, which is actually a popular character that you are going to be able to watch on Shark Tank. We have Mel Robbins, Jasmine Sar, Richard Branson. I'm pretty sure that you already know him because of the Virgin Group, Nigel Berger, Brooke Shaden, Lindsay Adler, Tim Ferriss, and others. So as I told you, real experts, they are here, okay? So some student stories, but we are going to be scrolling a little bit more and we are going to click here where it says become an affiliate, okay? This is where we're going to be clicking and you guys are going to be landing on this page. Okay, what is an affiliate? Well, an affiliate is basically a person who do not create a product or a service, but the companies are willing to pay us, okay, if we find people who are interested on what they do have to offer. Okay, these are commission based. Okay, and chances are that you're like, okay, these sounds too difficult. Guys, remember, I'm going to show you everything, all these strategies step by step. So please keep watching the video because I'm going to show you how you're going to find buyers, how you're going to find target people. And don't worry, you don't need to be soon with anybody. You don't need to be messaging people on Facebook. No, 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 no. This is something different because we love passive income. Okay, so we are going to be an affiliate. So what are they are going to be offering us? Well, they're going to be offering a 30% revenue share for new customers. Okay, they are going to be tracking everything, every single click, every single purchase, every performance. Okay, and this is going to be on real time, and you're going to be earning money. Okay, you're going to be earning money. If you have some questions, you can always email to this email address. If you want to find more about the FAQs or the terms and conditions, you can actually read them, but this is going to be like a quick summary. Okay, so now you're going to click here where it says sign up. Okay, and you're going to land here in the spaces. You can see Creative Life was founded in 2010, okay, with the mission to empower creators with powerful new skills. Again, you are going to be earning 30% of the commission. You're going to be typing here your username, your password, the country where you're from, and you're going to confirm your password. Then you're going to be following the next steps. And this is actually powered by Share SL. Okay, Share SL is a reputable marketplace, but okay, I want to show you the strategy. So we're going to be moving a little bit faster right now. Okay, so you're going to see that they do have several classes. Okay, over 2,000 classes by the time recording this video. Okay, for example, they do have here fundamentals of photography, workflow, time management and productivity for creative. Okay, how to break the habits of self-doubt and build real confidence. Okay, Adobe Photoshop CC, the complete guide, 28 days of portrait photography. Okay, newborn photography bootcamp. This is our really hot niche. Like people are really looking for this kind of information because if they learn it and they apply it, they're going to be earning good money. Okay, we're not going to be learning this, but just for you to take into consideration. Okay, so we have others here. Okay, so what are we going to be doing? I'm going to give you an example of a product that I already chose, which is the art of photographing birds. Okay, here we have a great video explaining what is this actually all about. You're going to see that people are able to pay now $49 to purchase it. This is a discounted price because the regular price is $99. 100% of people recommend this class. Okay, 33,000. Okay, students here is actually the trainer. You can learn more about the instructor and everything. So there are other classics. For example, let's say that we're going to go with the workflow, time management, okay, and productivity for creative. Okay, so sometimes, people need like a push, okay? So people can buy this for $24. So the prices are like a no-brainer, okay? It's not something crazy, even if they decide to go with the monthly fee. Okay, it's not going to be something crazy. As you can see, 96,000 students, 87% recommend this class. Okay, so now we know that we're going to be affiliate. We already created an account. We already choose the class that we're going to be offering for free because that's what you're going to be offering. Okay, that's what you're going to be offering. You're going to be offering free live classes. Okay, so this is how we are going to be inviting people to check out their free classes. So now, where are these people? We know there are a lot of people out there who might be interested in, for example, on time management. Well, I'm going to show you a couple of places here. Okay, stay with me. So the first place, it's actually Twitter. You can go to twitter.com and you can actually do a quick search for time management. Okay, click here where it says latest. And as you can see that people are actually talking about this, okay? People are talking about time management and you can join the conversation, okay? And you can let them know like, hey, I have this free class about time management, okay? So check it out. People actually prefer to consume videos rather than read the books. And by the way, reading a book is not a bad thing. It's just that they, sometimes we live in a really fast-paced environment that we need to get this thing done really fast. So, okay, so you're gonna see you can join actually the conversation. What else? What else can we find these people? Well, these guys are also on Quora. Quora.com is one of the biggest forum in which people, are actually putting questions and they want an answer. They want a solution. For example, I type here time management, and as you can see, here is a couple of questions like, why is time management important? Okay. How can I improve time management? Okay. What are some innovative idea in time management? Okay. What are the most effective and proven time management techniques? Okay. How can I learn time management? Okay. How can I improve my time management skills, focus, and so on? I'm pretty sure that you already get it. So these people are interested on this. Okay. They're interested on this. Okay. They want to learn how they can be better. Okay. So you just need to offer them the free class. Okay. You just need to offer them the free class. And if they decide to go ahead and purchase, and this is something that we call like it's hot traffic. So that means that people are actually looking for an answer. Okay. They're looking for an answer and they don't know the solution yet, but you are going to offer them the solution. So with the price that creativelife.com it's actually selling this right now, this is going to be a no-brainer because they're going to be like, wow, this is actually what I'm looking for, and it's just $25. That's it. And you're going to be earning money every single day, and every single time they make a purchase, you are going to be earning way more money as well. So as you can see, guys, it's a really simple strategy. But now, guys, if you want to learn more about this, if you want to really earn money while you travel, earn money while you sleep, if you're looking to change your life, in a good way, click the very first link in the description. But that's going to be my number one recommendations to make money online. So if you're ready for a change, if you're looking not to make a couple of extra bucks, but serious money, guys, click the very first link in the description. Okay, remember, guys, if you have some comment, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.